Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an attic bedroom with triangular window. First, we'll draw a room. Now we'll click on the wall settings and we will adjust the height of the wall to accommodate our vaulted ceiling. Now we can switch to 3D mode and create vaulted ceiling. The easiest way to do it is by using geometric shapes from the catalog. Now we will simply resize it. Now we can clone it and paste it to the other side. Now we will add the window. We can use the window from our catalog, or by using Create New Product tool, we can create our own. To do that, we click on Create New Product tool, Create Yourself, and we'll start with Rectangle tool. Now we'll click on Done and we'll apply a darker color on our ceiling. Now click on the product that you created and click on Modify. Turn on your environment and now we can create the window the same shape as our vaulted ceiling. For that, we'll use the pen tool. Now we will create the offset. And now we can create window grids. Now click on Done. You can change the size of the window if you want to. Now we can apply a glass texture on the window panes. Remember to also apply it from the other side. Now push the window inside the wall. And now click on the punch tool in the top center of your screen to punch it through a wall. Now we can apply different textures and we can start adding furniture to our attic bedroom. And our attic bedroom is ready. Now it's time to take a render. This is how our attic bedroom looks like after rendering. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.